Namaste. This is a presentation from Bhagavad Gita Foundation for Vedic Studies, a Section 8 non-profit organization established with the Ministry of Company Affairs, Government of India. What is our objective? Our foundation is working for establishing peace and harmony among people of different faiths by imparting Gita wisdom to 5 billion people, that is, over 50% of the world's population by 2050. How do we achieve this? For this, we propose to construct a university exclusively to teach Bhagavad Gita, to create 10,000 Gita Gurus, and to monitor its affiliate centers across 195 countries from one central location. The university, if constructed by the year 2025, shall identify and train 10,000 gurus and shall establish an equal number of self-sustaining satsangs all over the world during 2026 and 2035. That means there shall be one satsang for every 1 million population that works in affiliation with Gita University. From there on, every satsang will work with a goal of spreading Gita wisdom to 500,000 people in 15 years. That means by the year 2050, all the 10,000 satsangs together will educate and certify 5 billion people on Bhagavad Gita. How can Bhagavad Gita bring peace and harmony? Once people understand their source and the purpose of taking birth, there is no question of hating one another or getting depressed in life for petty reasons. Their thoughts, words and actions will be pure, and they will only do dharmic deeds. They understand that God is not a name or form to argue about with each other, but an ultimate supreme energy that embeds all of us within it and makes us experience whatever we wish and whatever we deserve with its supreme Maya. With Gita wisdom, people of different paths can live in harmony, making the world a better place to live. Who will run the foundation? All the donors will automatically become executive advisory members and can contest for a position in the 108-member Chief Advisory Board that decides all the operations of the foundation. So, this is for the public and by the public, an asset dedicated to the well-being of mankind. For more details, watch the foundation structure on our Gita University website, gitauniversity.in. Fund required. For the university construction, we need 200,000 donors who can donate 10,000 rupees or $140 each. Do the donors get anything in return? Yes, we feel privileged to offer an invaluable gift, lifetime access to our fusion music Bhagavad Gita and self-learning Bhagavad Gita with meanings, done in Hindustani ragas on their Android and iOS devices. Also, their children will get free access to our upcoming 108 lessons of Gita, specially designed for people of age 14 to 21. I want to be a part of this noble cause. What should I do? To donate and support us, you may do any of the below. Number 1. Google Pay or Phone Pay on 8977031068. Don't forget to properly verify the foundation name Bhagavad Gita Foundation for Vedic Studies before making any donation. Number 2. Visit our website gitauniversity.in/donate and make your donation through direct bank transfer, credit or debit cards, etc. Number 3. Give us a missed call on 9128 444 555. Our volunteers will call and guide you. Number 4. Message or WhatsApp Miss Pooja on 8140-31068 and she will give you all the details. Thank you. And finally, remember that a mere wish can neither give individual peace nor global peace. It is only possible by understanding the two vital life elements, karma and dharma. People who agree with us may come forward and be a part of taking the sovereign science to 5 billion people by 2050. Jai Shri Krishna. Om Namah Shivaya. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.